Hello my art viewers, welcome back to my channel. You are seeing the art of inside impressions and this is artist Bhavna. So the final process of making skin texture, so it is really beautiful process and it is really time taking, I can understand, but when you try to achieve the perfect skin texture, you are the most happiest person. So believe me and try all these steps. So there is no particular thing that you need to use only these tools and you need to use only that tools. It is an initial idea of using and blending skin. As we all know, skin is the most complicated part and it has many things to do. You need to provide freckles, pores, many things you need to provide. So that is not an easy job and it should really look like skin. So when you are trying to develop your artwork, it is most important thing to spend more time on the skin texture. So wherever you go, you will find skin. I mean, let it be eyelashes or nose or lip or anything. First you should know how to get those shades and texture, and those things are really important. And this is a final video of skin texture season. Here the important tools are 4H pencil and the needed eraser, Tombow Mono Zero eraser, and graphite powder. You can extract from any pencil, but make sure you are extracting from the lower grades so that you can build layers slowly and you can bring those bright tones slowly. So tissue paper is the most important thing and you need to fold according to my method. uh, I hope these are the really minimal tools and don't scare about the process will be really smooth when you apply all together. So take your own time and explore the things. You can see right here I'm providing the dots using directly pencil. So we need to get this sharp dots and this is almost the final layers, right? So that's why to show that dark spots on the skin, you need to directly use pencil. So you can use H or 2H for the pores. For wrinkles also you can go like lower grades only, like H, 2H, 3H, 4H, so on. And whenever you are trying to provide those wrinkles and freckles, let it be with the light grades only, because it should remain and sustain on the skin, so you should not blend it easily. That's why we are using H grades. Okay, so this is a major tip in this video and you need to always follow it. You may think showing an artwork by any artist, you may think like it is done within 2 to 3 days, but it's not a natural thing. It is really time taking process. You can see right how the real process going. So when I keep a video on the complete process, you will be like scared and you can't do it. So that's why I breaked into many videos. So I hope you really enjoyed this season, and if you are really following these steps, you are going to achieve the perfect skin texture as I shown. Okay, yeah, if you are seeing this video for the first time on my channel, please to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to tap the bell icon. The bell icon is the most important factor, and you can see many 150 plus videos. So we already did 180 videos. I hope you will learn many things. Happy learning.